Hello everyone, welcome back to our Talk Morp English Learning channel.
Hi friends, we are so happy you are here with us today.
Today we have a very special and useful topic for you.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to talk when meeting someone for the first time.
Meeting new people is exciting, but sometimes it can feel a little scary, especially in English.
That is so true, Abir, but do not worry. In this video, you will learn super easy words, simple questions, and everyday expressions.
By the end of this video, you will feel ready and confident to say hello to anyone.
You will learn how to introduce yourself, ask easy questions, talk about your job, your hobbies, and say a nice goodbye.
Before we start, please click the like button if you love learning English with us.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson.
Also, leave a comment below. Tell us, where are you watching this video from? We love reading your comments.
All right, are you ready to practice? Let's jump into our conversation.
Hello, excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
Oh, hi. No, this seat is free. You can sit here.
Thank you so much. My name's Abir.
It is nice to meet you, Abir. I'm Zara.
It's very nice to meet you too, Zara. Nice to meet you is such a classic English phrase, isn't it?
Yes, it is. When you meet someone for the first time, saying nice to meet you is always the best way to start.
Exactly. You can also say pleased to meet you or it's a pleasure to meet you.
You're right. Pleased to meet you is a little more formal, but nice to meet you is perfect for everyday life.
So, Zara, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing very well, thanks. It's a beautiful sunny day today, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. I love sunny weather. It makes me feel so happy.
Me too. So, Zara, do you come to this cafe often?
Well, I come here maybe twice a week. I really like their coffee. What about you?
This is actually my first time here. A friend told me this place has great tea.
Oh, really? Yes, their green tea and black tea are fantastic.
That is good to hear. I just ordered a cup of black tea.
Awesome, you'll love it. So, Abir, tell me a little about yourself. What do you do?
When people ask, what do you do, they mean, what is your job, right?
Exactly. What do you do is a very common question in English. It means, what is your profession or work?
Well, I'm an English teacher. I teach basic English to beginners.
Wow, that's wonderful. You must be very patient.
I try to be. I really enjoy helping people learn new languages. And how about you, Zara? What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I make drawings, logos, and visual art on my computer.
Oh, that sounds so cool. You must be very creative.
Thank you. I really love my job because I get to work with lots of colors and design ideas every day.
That's awesome. Where do you live, Zara? Do you live near here?
Yes, I live about 10 minutes away from this cafe. I walk here. What about you? Where do you live?
I live a bit farther away, near the Central Park. I took the bus to get here today.
Oh, I see. Taking the bus is very convenient.
Yes, it is. So, Zara, where are you originally from?
When people ask, where are you from, they are asking about your hometown or your country.
Yes, that's a super useful question when meeting new people.
I'm originally from Canada, but I moved here 2 years ago for my job.
Wow, Canada, that's amazing. Is Canada very cold?
Yes, in the winter, Canada is very cold. There is a lot of snow.
Brr, I'm not a big fan of cold weather. I prefer sunny days like today.
Me too. That's why I like living here now. And where are you from, Abir?
I was born right here in this city, so I'm a local.
Oh, fantastic. That means you know all the best places in town.
Absolutely. If you ever need recommendations for good restaurants, parks, or bookshops, just ask me.
That is so kind of you. Thank you, Abir. I always love discovering new places.
By the way, Zara, what do you like to do in your free time? What are your hobbies?
In my free time, I really like reading books, cooking new foods, and riding my bicycle.
Cooking and cycling. Those are great hobbies. What kind of food do you like to cook?
I love making Italian food, especially pasta and pizza. It's super fun and delicious.
Yum! Pasta is my favorite food. I could eat pasta every day.
Really? That's hilarious. What about you, Abir? What are your favorite hobbies?
Well, I love listening to music, playing the guitar, and taking photos outdoors.
Wow, you play the guitar? That's so cool. What kind of music do you play?
Just easy acoustic songs. I'm still practicing every day.
That is amazing. Practice makes perfect, right?
Exactly. That's what I always tell my English students too. Practice every day, step by step.
That's such good advice for anything in life.
Hey, Zara, do you have any brothers or sisters? Or, in other words, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one older brother and one younger sister, so there are 3 kids in my family. How about you?
I have one younger brother. We're very close and we play video games on weekends.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Family is so important.
Absolutely. So, Zara, do you speak any other languages besides English?
Yes, I speak a little bit of French. My grandmother taught me when I was a small child.
Oh, très bien. French is such a beautiful language.
Thank you, but my French is not perfect. I still make mistakes.
Making mistakes is completely normal when learning a language. It means you are trying and growing.
You're so right, Abir. That's a wonderful way to think about it. Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish. I studied it in university.
Hola! That is incredible. Learning languages is such a great way to connect with people around the world.
Definitely. When you learn a new language, you open doors to new friendships, new cultures, and new experiences.
That is so true. That's why so many people are watching us right now to learn English.
Exactly. Learning English opens up the whole world to you.
Hey, Abir, let's practice some more daily conversation questions. What if someone asks you, what are your plans for the weekend?
Ah, good question. If someone asks about your weekend plans, they want to know what you will do on Saturday and Sunday.
Right. So, Abir, what are your plans for this weekend?
This Saturday I'm going to visit my parents. On Sunday I plan to clean my apartment and read a book. What about you?
On Saturday morning, I'm going to the local farmer's market to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. Then on Sunday, I'm going to meet my friends for lunch.
Oh, that sounds like a lovely weekend. Very relaxing and fun.
Yes, I'm really looking forward to it.
You know, Zara, another common thing people talk about when meeting for the first time is pets.
Oh, yes, people love talking about their pets. Do you have any pets, Abir?
Yes, I have a small cat named Oliver. He's very fluffy and sleepy.
Oh, I love cats. Oliver is a cute name. I have a dog named Max. He's a golden retriever and he has so much energy.
That's great exercise for both of you.
Absolutely. It keeps me active every day.
Let's review another simple question. What if someone asks you, how long have you lived here?
That is another classic question. It means, when did you move to this town or city?
Right, you can say, I have lived here for 2 years, or I have lived here since 2024.
Notice how we use for with a period of time like 2 years and since with a specific year like 2024.
Excellent grammar point, Zara. That's a super helpful tip for English learners.
Thank you. Simple grammar tips make speaking much easier.
Oh, look at the time. My tea is finished and I have a class to teach in 20 minutes.
Oh, time flies when you're having fun. It was so wonderful meeting you today, Abir.
It was a real pleasure meeting you too, Zara. I had a great conversation.
Me too. We should stay in touch. Do you have a business card or phone number?
Yes, of course. Here's my phone number. Feel free to text me anytime.
Thank you so much. I will send you a message today.
Sounds great. Have a wonderful rest of your day, Zara.
You too, Abir. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Welcome back to the review section, everyone.
Wow, what a fun conversation that was. I hope you all enjoyed listening to us.
Now, let us review the most important words and useful expressions from our conversation.
Yes, reviewing is super important to help you remember everything you learn.
Let's start with our first vocabulary word, beginner.
A beginner is a person who is starting to learn something new. For example, I am an English beginner.
Exactly. Our second word is nervous.
Nervous means feeling worried, quiet, or shy about something. For example, I feel nervous when I meet new people.
Great. Our third word is hobby.
A hobby is an activity you enjoy doing in your free time. For example, my favorite hobby is reading books.
Perfect. Now let's look at some super useful phrases you can use when meeting someone for the first time.
Phrase number 1. Nice to meet you.
You say, nice to meet you, after someone tells you their name for the first time. It shows you are friendly and polite.
Phrase number 2. How is your day going?
This is a casual, warm way to ask someone how they are feeling today. You can answer, my day is going great, thank you.
Phrase number 3. Looking forward to.
This phrase means you are excited about something in the future. For example, I am looking forward to meeting my friend tomorrow.
Amazing. Phrase number 4. Time flies.
Remember, time flies means time is passing very quickly because you are enjoying yourself.
And our final phrase, it was a pleasure meeting you.
You use "it was a pleasure meeting you" at the end of the conversation when you're saying goodbye to a new person. It is very polite.
Practice saying these phrases out loud at home every day. Speaking out loud will build your confidence super fast.
Thank you so much for watching today's lesson with us. We're so proud of your hard work.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us your favorite phrase in the comments below.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and we'll see you in our next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning!